Today, we're gonna ram Iman. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let me zoom in on your ugly face. Incoming! What was your opinion on that? Hey, Iman, what was your opinion on that? Hello? Okay, I'm gonna rotate. And then die. You right, Iman? You die?
Oh, you die.
I die. Except until I die. Okay, we're gonna do that again. Get ready, Mr. I am big and man. Allie, come here. Allie, stop climbing the pickle.
What?
Okay, I need you to stand over there. No, Allie, not you. You're good.
Okay. What do you need, Director?
You need to stand right there.
Okay.
A bit more. Perfect, Mr. Club Penguin. Now for the fun part. I'm exactly 100 meters away and I am rapidly approaching your location in exactly 3, 2, 1. I am rapidly approaching your location. Incoming. And that's the end.